Let's learn how to fix YouTube switch problem. Do you notice that you logged into your YouTube and it switched off? If yes, this video will give you a proper guide on how to fix such issue. YouTube switch problem is a recent issue on YouTube. Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix YouTube switch problem. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to go straight to your settings. So right here on my settings, all I have to do is to scroll gently and click on app management. So I have to click on app list. So on this new screen, I just have to click on the search option and search for YouTube. So you can see the YouTube option, just click on it. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the permission and make sure you allow all this option, like your notification, your photo, your video, your camera. You have to allow them. Allow your microphone, your contacts, location, and your phone. Having done that, you just have to go back. So on this screen, all you have to do is to click on storage and cache in order to clear your cache. Mind you, you can also clear your storage, but have it in mind that if you clear your storage, all your downloaded videos or movie will be cleared off, which simply means that your app will be a new app. You have to start downloading and also updating your profile after clearing your storage. That is if you decide to clear your storage. So having done that, if you still have issues with your YouTube, or you still have issues looking or getting a particular feature on your YouTube channel, go to your Play Store. So right here on my Play Store, I just have to search for my YouTube. So yeah, all I have to do is to click on the update option in order to update my YouTube to the latest version. With this, I'll be able to fix YouTube switch problem. So guys, I hope with this guide you'll be able to fix YouTube switch problem. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.